Hey everybody, it's Venus. If there's one toy I can remember always wanting when I was a kid, is Tamagotchi, these little egg-shaped computers that make a lot of beepy noises, which is cool. Like, you can't have a real pet, but I still prefer my plushies to egg-shaped computers. But recently I haven't seen a lot of people playing with their Tamagotchi, and I was wondering where did all of these Tamagotchis go, because I think they're actually really cute. And yeah, the beeping noises aren't that bad. Instead, now everybody wants a toy which is actually really similar to Tamagotchi, but it's like a real live Tamagotchi. In other words, technology has gone too far again. Now, as I love toys and everything cute and expressing my love for these things, I decided to get my very own real life Tamagotchi. And what you see poking out here at the top of the box is actually an egg. Now, because it is just like an egg, so super delicate, we have to take it out carefully. Now I realized the top of the egg was just part of the packaging. Once taken out of the packaging, you have what looks like a real egg. Oh, it makes sounds. It feels like something is inside the egg. Oh my god. Is this cute or creepy? Don't panic, don't panic. This isn't good. It's just a toy. It's just a toy. It's gonna be okay. But luckily, your egg baby comes with instruction cards and food. Good. So, oh, it's reacting. It responded. Ah, something is glowing. Let's turn the lights out. The different eye colors indicate how it's feeling. Now the eyes are green, so it means it is sick or has a cold. Let's try to make it feel better by rubbing the belly. But it's still sick. White means it's sleepy, so let's wake it up. Angry, it got angry at me. No, don't get angry at me already. We just met. It's hatching. It's fur. It's fur. So soft. It's coming out in the next moment. Oh my gosh. It's just like giving birth. Go, 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 go. You can do it. Get out of here. Whoa. Just a little bit more. Wow. Isn't this adorable? Now that their baby Hatchimal has hatched, there are going to be 3 stages of development. So the first stage is the baby stage, which is right now. Then there's kid and junior. In the baby stage, we'll have to take good care of our Hatchimal by feeding and cuddling and comforting it. So we can do that by pressing the belly, rubbing the bottom, and helping it sneeze. Chill. that we have a flat surface for our baby to walk on. If you know Tamagotchi, you've seen that this is very similar, except that it doesn't die, so you can play with it forever. So maybe we'll meet again in my next video. Until then, bye boo. I have to go and take care of my baby Hatchimal. Comment your idea for a name for my baby and see you soon.